I am much happy to welcome you to this session of Introduction of Statistics. In this section, we are going to learn about some introduction and definitions of statistics, and also the importance of statistics we are going to study here. I hope that it would be much useful to every one of you, and if you are very closely watching it and again, then it will be giving a clear picture about this subject. Thereby, you need not, worry about learning this. First of all, we are going to study about this important of the statistics. That is just an introduction about the statistics. That is, statistics is an important subject which deals with the data collection and its analysis and interpretation. It is related with maintenance of information in numerical records in all places like family, companies, and government. It is possible for future planning and decision makings in companies and government only with the help of data of previous years. The importance of statistics is well recognized by all the disciplines like agriculture, economics, commerce, biology, medicine, industry, and education. Then let us see the next one about the origin and growth of statistics. That here it is very clearly explained about the how statistics, where statistics have been derived. And now we are going to study about some of the definitions of statistics. That statistics can be defined as say, singular and plural. In that way, it has been defined, it has been stated. And in the singular manner means, for the statistics as a single noun means for that also many definitions are there, and statistics as it in terms of methods also there are many definitions. That is in the simple way, statistics means data. So it related to individuals and that, and statistics as method means how that data is used for how the data is used for getting some result. The researchers are applying it through that, and they will be doing that work. That is identification of data, collection of data, presentation of data, analysis of data. So data should be analyzed so that it would be much useful for interpretation, some finding. That is interpretation of the data. Then later to functional statistics. That is presentation of facts and in proper form, simplification of unwealthy data. Like that, 7 different points are given. First one is presentation of facts in a proper form. It would be presented in a proper form so that it would be easy for the further process. Simplification and unwieldy and complex, it would be simplified, and that would be facilitate for comparison of data. Then enlargement of individual's experience. When they are going for collection, they will be getting enlargement. Formulation of policies. It is possible to form policies. Then measurement of the trend behavior, future one we can make it to then possible. Then we are going to study of the scope of the statistics. Now the statistics is not limited to only one field. For the government itself, it is limited to many fields. That was stated here. Many field means it may be related for the government, for the management. Management means for taking decisions based on the data they were taking decisions. That one is statistics in banking and finance. In bank and finance, all data only for knowing the deposit, lending, everything based on that only. Then statistics, then we are going to see the advantage of statistics. Then it provides knowledge. Advanced statistics means we will be engaged that in a lot of manner. That's limitation means there is actually no limitation. When it is properly done, then it will be good for that. That is what here mentioned. Then statistical method and experimental method. That statistics means help for improving the knowledge of the individual. In previous occasions, people get knowledge through the intuition and some kind of practical, experiment. But now that statistical method, we are going to get more knowledge, and it is possible to improve the knowledge through the statistical method in a significant manner. That means in a scientific manner. That is more important. Scientific manner means applying in a proper, form, approaching things in a systematic manner so that we can get more knowledge with less time. That is more important. That is less time, getting economy in all dealings, utilization of the time to the maximum. That is